Looking to enhance your outdoor space with style, safety, and sustainability? Discover the top 5 best solar stair lights, perfect for illuminating steps, decks, and walkways with eco-friendly brilliance. These solar-powered gems offer hassle-free installation, automatic lighting, and weatherproof durability, making them a must-have for any modern outdoor setup. Number 1. Audles LED Solar Step Lights. Light up your happy summertime with the Audles LED Solar Step Lights, perfect for adding charm and safety to your outdoor spaces. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or enjoying a quiet night under the stars, these step lights create a warm, inviting ambience. Install one on each side of your steps for the perfect balance of brightness and style. Powered by the sun, these lights feature an 800 mAh rechargeable battery that offers over 8 hours of illumination after a full day's charge. The built-in light sensor ensures they automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn. Completely hassle-free. Crafted from high-quality ABS and rated IP65 waterproof, they're built to endure rain, snow, and sun alike, making them perfect for stairs, gardens, decks, tents, and more. With no wiring required, installation is brain-dead simple. Use 3M adhesive or included screws to mount them easily. Plus, Audles backs their product with reliable after-sales service to ensure a smooth experience. These solar step lights are a smart, stylish, and sustainable addition to any outdoor setting. Number 2. Niorsun 6-pack Solar Step Lights. Upgrade your outdoor lighting with the stylish and modern Niorsun Solar Step Lights. Inspired by the stability of the triangle, these uniquely designed lights offer both structural strength and aesthetic appeal. Emitting a warm 3000K glow, they create a cozy ambience for steps, decks, patios, or walkways, perfect for enhancing both safety and atmosphere. Unlike typical solar stair lights, Niorsun features 13 high-quality LEDs in each unit with a focused lens for maximum brightness. The enlarged rectangular solar panel, designed to complement the triangular light shape, captures sunlight efficiently, powering 8 to 10 hours of brilliant illumination after just 4 to 5 hours of charging. Engineered for outdoor durability, these lights are rated IP67 waterproof, ensuring resilience against dust, rain, and snow. The sleek, modern finish adds a stylish touch to any space while delivering dependable lighting. Installation is simple with included hardware and clear instructions. With automatic dusk-to-dawn operation, Niorsun lights are a smart, energy-saving solution. Backed by a commitment to quality, Niorsun offers dependable and elegant lighting perfect for any outdoor setting. Number 3. Gigalumi LED Solar Deck Lights. Enhance your outdoor space with the soft, inviting charm of Gigalumi LED Solar Deck Lights. Featuring a warm white LED glow, these lights strike the perfect balance, bright enough to safely guide your steps at night, yet gentle enough to maintain a cozy, ambient atmosphere for your deck, stairs, garden, or fence. Built with a durable hard ABS shell and high-quality solar panel, these solar lights are designed to withstand the elements, including rain, wind, and light snow. Whether you're lighting up paths, railings, or steps, they offer reliable performance all year round. No switch needed, simply remove the insulator sheet and let the light do the rest. After 4 to 5 hours of solar charging, they'll automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn, providing effortless illumination every evening. Installation is quick and flexible. Use either the included screws or 3M adhesive to mount them along any edge. Compact and low profile, they blend seamlessly into your outdoor decor without being obtrusive. Backed by responsive customer support, Gigalumi ensures peace of mind and a safer, more beautiful outdoor experience. Number 4. LSA Outdoor Solar Step Lights. Transform your outdoor space with LSA Outdoor Solar Step Lights, where functionality meets festive flair. Featuring 10 color modes, including 9 fixed hues, cool white, warm white, red, green, purple, and more, and an RGB breathing mode, these lights are perfect for everyday use and special occasions like birthdays, weddings, Halloween, or Christmas. Designed with a unique focusing cup and high transmittance lens, each light delivers a concentrated, super bright beam that enhances nighttime visibility. Whether for steps, pathways, or poolside areas, you'll enjoy both safety and ambience. Built to last, these IP65 waterproof lights are made from durable ABS and a triple-layer waterproof coating, ensuring they withstand rain, fog, and moisture. Powered by high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panels and an 800 mAh battery, they offer 10 to 12 hours of lighting after just 4 to 6 hours of sun charging. Installation is a breeze. Choose a quick setup with 3M adhesive or a more secure mount with included screws. Ideal for stairs, decks, courtyards, or garden paths, LSA step lights offer colorful, eco-friendly illumination for any outdoor setting. Number 5. Solpex Outdoor Solar Step Lights. Brighten up your outdoor spaces with the Solpex Outdoor Solar Step Lights, designed with a powerful 33 LED setup that provides broader and brighter coverage than standard step lights. Powered by a 600 mAh lithium battery, these lights are ideal for illuminating steps, patios, fences, and front doors with long-lasting glow and elegance. What sets Solpex apart is its innovative double-sided illumination. Emitting light from both the front and back, these lights expand their coverage area, making them perfect for yards, gardens, and walkways. The enhanced visibility ensures safety and ambience in every corner of your outdoor space. With built-in automatic dusk-to-dawn sensors, the lights turn on at night and off during the day for effortless energy efficiency. Installation is quick and easy. Use the included screws or 3M adhesive tape for a secure fit in just minutes. Crafted from high-quality ABS and featuring a press-type waterproof switch, these IP65 rated lights are built to withstand rain and harsh weather. Backed by a 6-month warranty and responsive customer support, Solpex delivers both performance and peace of mind.